Let's talk about Google Ads for nonprofits. If you're not already familiar, Google offers something called the Google Ads Grants program, where they give you up to $10,000 a month in free ad spend if you are a nonprofit. Now, this helps Google because it's a tax write-off for them. It also is, something that makes everybody feel good because they're supporting nonprofits at the same time. So it's kind of a win-win for everybody. But they do have like an incentive to offer this program because they're giving some ad space away and being able to write things off on their taxes, but also support nonprofits around the globe, which is awesome in and of itself. So if you come to google.com/grants, you'll see the Google Ad Grants program here, and you can see some of their different nonprofit offerings. In fact, we can open this up into a new page and take a look. There's actually different programs that they have, and you can qualify for even more Google ad spend if you're like really doing well with the Google Ads Grant program. But they do offer other stuff for nonprofits as well, like YouTube and Google Ads Grant and different things. Google Workspace for nonprofits. So if you want to use Gmail and Drive and everything through Workspace, you can also get that, basically for free. If you have a nonprofit, you just need to go and apply, which you can do here. And then with the grant program, you can use Google Ads for a number of different things, like fundraising. That's going to be usually one of the biggest ones. You can see all the different examples of how the Days for Girls got a $212 average donation to empower women around the world. DonorsChoose.org drove over 5,000 donations for public schools. And this is all basically for free. Google is just going to pay. It's going to give you $10,000 a month in order to, run ads for your nonprofit. And of course, you can just scroll down and click Get Started to apply and see if you're eligible for, or see if you can get into the grant program here. So there, you just basically go through this whole process of applying, and they're going to determine whether or not you're a good fit. It's important to note that there's some information on the Ads Grant Help page here about the policies and guidelines. So there's like different things, different regular rules or policies that you need to be following in order to maintain your status as a Google Grants program, a nonprofit that's using the Google Ads Grant program. So I think one of the biggest things that stands out to me is maintaining at least a 5% click-through rate each month, which means that your ads need to actually be getting clicked on at a decent rate. So you need to actually set them up properly. So if you're not sure, if you got the Google Ads Grant and you're not sure how to maintain your ads, you can reach out. I'll leave a link down below where you can get in touch and we can help you, maintain your ads so that you're getting a decent click-through rate and everything. But there's a number of different policies that you want to make sure that you're staying in alignment with. Otherwise, you could potentially risk losing your grant, which obviously you don't want to do. And it's also worth noting that there's eligibility requirements, right? So if you're like a school or a university or a hospital or a government entity, you're not going to be eligible for the Google Ads Grant program. So you can check their eligibility requirements. Of course, just do a Google search and you'll be able to find all of this different stuff. And then, you can apply and see if you can get Google Workspace and Google Ads and even Google Earth and Maps and different stuff. So all you need to do is click Get Started here. And that's going to open up a page where you can start the application process, and you can switch to a different account. It's going to show your email address right here. You want to probably make sure you're using your nonprofit email address. And so if it's pulling in your personal address here, you can just switch over. Click continue, go through the whole process. I'm not necessarily going to go through that because I'm not the owner of a nonprofit per se, so or even a member. But you can go through the whole process and get signed up or apply, and then if you're approved, you'll be able to start using their grants program from there. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.